Welcome to the Framer Awards. We have an exciting event for you today, chock full of familiar faces and exceptional design talent. In the fall of 2024, we announced that we were going to give away $100,000 to 10 designers across 10 categories, and today is that day. And because these awards are all about celebrating those in the Framer community, we've enlisted the help of some familiar faces from the Framer community. So with that, let's hand it over to them for the first 5 awards, celebrating the very best in Framer sites.
They say that the hardest part is just to get started, but some people make it look effortless. This year's Best Newcomer Award celebrates a designer who's fairly new to the Framer community, but is making huge first impressions and turning heads with their creativity and their skill. The 2024 Framer Award for Best Newcomer goes to Benny Stuhler for the work that he's done on his own personal website. Benny's clean and minimal design is full of personality with well-considered pops of color. Congratulations and welcome to the community, Benny. You are making an unforgettable first impression.
Animation brings design to life, and they make the experiences memorable. This year's winner delivered bold, eye-catching sequences, subtle transitions, and delivered an experience that was stunning. Taking home the 2024 award for Best Animations is Ivan Garcia for his incredible work on Flighty.com. This travel app marketing site takes you on an incredible journey with meaningful animations that tell a product story in a compelling way. Congrats!
Interactions are where designs and users connect. They're the bridges that turn static sites into engaging, memorable experiences. This year's winner mastered the art of pulling users in with interactions that were not only functional, but irresistible. Please join me in congratulating the winner for Best Interactions, Analog Agency, for their phenomenal work on The One Amsterdam. Everything on this site feels beautifully choreographed, from hover states to their scroll animations. Your attention to detail and user experience is nothing short of inspiring.
Visual design is the first thing that grabs our attention, but the best designs go beyond aesthetics. They balance color, typography, and layout to create something unforgettable. This year's winner impressed us with a site that was both bold and beautiful, setting the bar for creativity and refinement. The honor of Best Visual Design goes to Wildly Riftian for their stunning work on wildlyriftian.com. This unique, highly interactive layout pairs tasteful design with novel navigation and clean page transitions. So mega congrats team on winning this honor.
Great storytelling doesn't just tell you where to go, it takes you on a journey. It's a difference between a site that's functional and one that feels alive. And this year's winner transported us through their design, creating an immersive experience that lingered long after the scroll stopped. We are thrilled to announce that the award for the best storytelling goes to Hello Hello for their incredible work on High Keys. This site is an exploration of what compelling storytelling about a physical product can look like on the web. Your ability to weave a narrative through design was truly inspiring. Congrats to each of those award winners, absolutely well-deserved. But we're not done yet. These next 5 awards celebrate those who are creating amazing things for the Framer community, starting with Best Framer Designer.
Great design comes from a deep commitment to craft and an eye for the details that make all the difference. The Best Framer Designer Award honors someone who doesn't just design, but elevates the standard for everyone around them. Let's celebrate the winner of the 2024 Framer Award for Best Framer Designer, Paul Lapkin. Paul's clean, type-forward, minimalist work shows an incredible mastery of form and function. turning simplicity into something truly extraordinary. Congratulations, Paul. We can't wait to see what you design next.
Templates are the building blocks that empower others to create. The Best Template Award honors the design that was remixed, reused, and reimagined the most by our community this year. This year's Best Template Award goes to Enna Supply for their exceptional work on Aura. This template combines a visually striking layout with dynamic features, blending aesthetic appeal with functionality and accessibility. Congratulations to Enna Supply.
Hey guys, it's Mizko here. Now, plugins turn great sites into extraordinary ones by adding functionality and flair. So the Best Plugin Award celebrates the most innovative and impactful tool created by our community. So, the title of Best Plugin in 2024 belongs to Matt Jumper, the Framer Commerce. Now, this plugin seamlessly syncs Shopify storefront data with Framer CMS, unlocking powerful tools for e-commerce sites, from advanced filtering options all the way down to dynamic cart components. It's the game changer for Framer creators everywhere. So once again, congratulations, Matthew Jumper.
Being a creator isn't just about building, it's about inspiring others to build too. The Best Framer Creator Award honors that mentality, someone who has uplifted and inspired the community throughout the year. That's why it's my honor to announce that the Best Framer Creator Award goes to Nandi from Framer University. Nandi has been a powerhouse of non-stop high-quality content for the Framer community, inspiring and educating so many people. So from the Framer community, thank you so much.
A great video can captivate, educate, and entertain all at once. The Best Framer Video Award recognizes a creator who delivered the most impactful and compelling video about Framer this year. And the winner for the Best Framer Video Award is Hamza-san for How I Learned Framer Fast as a Beginner. With compelling storytelling, excellent cinematic quality, and an engaging, honest approach, Hamza's video is a blueprint for how to learn Framer quickly and effectively. Congratulations, Hamza.
Congratulations to all today's winners. You can dive into their work and much more over at framer.com/awards. We also want to give a huge thank you to our community presenters who generously donated their time and talent to be part of these awards. If you haven't yet, scroll back through or check their links below and give them a follow. And if you submitted this year but didn't win, 2 things. 1, keep an eye on your inbox because a number of you are still getting free stuff. And 2, we'd love to have you back next year. That's it for the Framer Awards this year. We'll see you next year, and in the meantime, we'll see you on the internet.